Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and right now I'm getting ready to disassemble my 5.3 liter that I took out of my pickup truck. We're gonna take it and see what it looks like on the inside, beginning the disassembly process on my 5.3 V8. I'm gonna use it for another project in the future and see what can get replaced on it. In today's video, I'm just going to take it apart. Today's video isn't going to be too long. It's just going to be a short video. Sit back and relax and get ready to enjoy the show. I'm just going to take the cylinder heads off, and then I'll get back with you guys when I have the cylinder heads off. I'm going to take the head bolts out first, and then I'm going to start recording when I take the heads off. That's what we're going to do. So right now, I'm going to take the heads off, I'm going to take the head bolts out, and we're going to see what's underneath. I just have a sidebar comment to make. You see that? You see that right there? Yeah. This is what people mean when they say blood, sweat, and tears go into the projects that they work on. This is why. You feel me? That is blood, sweat, and tears. That's how you do it. Wow, I was not expecting it to look like that. Shit. So due to budget constraints, these are not going to go back in the order that they came out of. You can see right here, these look relatively clean. There's no metal burrs or obvious signs where there's been metal on metal contact rubbing. So a couple of these are a little worse for wear, so I think I'm just going to go with brand new ones, but we'll see. Let's get a good look here inside the cylinders and look for damage along the cylinder walls. Now, you see this here? We're going to scout that out, but before we look super duper close, I'm going to take the pistons all the way out, and we're going to see how the cylinder bores look. If you see here, the cylinders, these are the cylinders here for a small block Chevy, and there's, we'll get into that. We'll look at the damage on those cylinder walls. But this engine has 250,000 miles. I'm not sure how many miles this engine has right here. It looks really clean. So to bring it back over here, this engine has 250,000 miles on it. That's when I pulled it out of my pickup truck. So it's pretty consistent on both sides. There's that same carbon buildup, but look, ooh, there's some pitting on the cylinder walls. So we're gonna check the pistons. Let's flip this over. Expected that. There's always a mess, and I never clean it up. Good thing it's just coolant, so I can wash it away with water, but let's get off too. So those look like Permatex. All right, get ready for some more water. And this coolant is seeking level as we speak. I'm going to work on the oil pan for a little bit. I'll be right back. I removed all the oil pan bolts, so now we're ready to take the oil pan off. Heavy. You can see the oil pickup tube comes from the oil pump up front. Fuck. I bust my knuckles a lot. Aha. And here we see one of the major differences between a small block Chevrolet and an LS series engine.